Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I'll show you how to set up an integration to transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to ActiveCampaign. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to other systems. For example, in ActiveCampaign you can create new contacts and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho Inventory data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, I want to receive new contacts. At this point, you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho Inventory system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Zoho Inventory contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Zoho Inventory data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Choose the system ActiveCampaign. Next, you need to select an action. Add/update contact. At this stage, you need to connect your ActiveCampaign account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the API domain and API key. To get this data, go to your ActiveCampaign account. Then go to Account Settings. Choose the Developer section. Copy the URL and key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select a list in which contacts will be created for each new contact from Zoho Inventory. Now you see the ActiveCampaign fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Zoho Inventory to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ActiveCampaign as new contacts on a new contact from Zoho Inventory. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ActiveCampaign. After successful submission, go to ActiveCampaign and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the configuration of ActiveCampaign data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.